these are the ingredients that are vital in this recipe that you're going to cook. We are going to need coconut cream powder. You can use the one with the liquid one. We are going to need the tomato paste or tomato puree. We're going to need paprika. You can use the spices of your choice. We're going to need cayenne, and also we're going to need that is salt. We're going to need turmeric. Turmeric is a must. Yeah. We are going to need onion, tomato. We are going to need garlic. Yep. And then we are going to need coriander, also 2 tomatoes, and yeah, and also we are going to need black pepper. Yeah, so guys, I'm so happy that you're here joining me to make this amazing delicious recipe. We are going to make samaki ya kupaka or a fish curry. Yes, so join me as we do this. So in case you're new here, my name is Juliet Bala, and if you've been there, thank you, and I'm so much blessed to have you along each and every day. I upload a video, you come here, view, give it a thumb up, sharing with your friend. I don't take that for granted. I'm always so much grateful. So guys, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly I request you, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Yes, and share, please share with your friends and loved ones. Yeah, so and let's keep this space so productive and also helpful. In case you want me to share a recipe, and please just comment in the comment section, and maybe if you've tried one of my recipe, please don't feel like, yeah, just come back and comment to the comment section and let me know if I'm doing something useful or not. So thank you so much. Now we're gonna begin our cooking. So we're going to chop these ingredients together and then blend them. Yeah, so enjoy the rest of the video. We're going to add our coconut cream. You can use the powder or the liquid one, it's allowed. So we are going to add 1 to 2 spoons of it, and then in the main meal we are going to add more. So ensure you add just a little bit at the moment, and then later on, yeah, you're going to add, then blend in everything. So guys, this is the time for us to add the spices. We're going to start with the salt. Yeah, so as I said earlier, you can use the spices of your choice, but ensure you use turmeric. You add turmeric, but if you don't like it, it's okay, you can substitute it with another spice. Okay, so samaki hupakwa yataka turmeric. It's it's needful. So after that, we are going to stir it until we achieve the puree, like hiyo kitu inakaa uji. Make sure inakaa uji rojo. Yeah, so we wanna achieve the puree, the language that everyone understands. So yeah. So guys, stir this until you form that thick paste, the puree. So stir it for 10 to 15 minutes, and then after that you're going to add your fish and then let it cook, because our fish was initially deep fried, so there is no much cooking on it. So because remember, these were raw, we blended them, so they weren't cooked. So we are going to cook them for 15 minutes together. So after that, we are going to allow this to cook for about 2 to 3 minutes or 5 minutes, and then our fish will be ready. Samaki ya kupakwa itakuwa tayari kukuliwa. So as you can see, it's ready. Yeah, it's ready, and sure right now there is no one who doesn't know what ugali is. Like me, I know fufu, but I'm a Kenyan, and Nigerians, this a staple food in Nigeria. But here in Kenya, staple food we are having ugali. Yeah, so in here we are going to have our fish, samaki ya kupakwa. We are going to serve it with ugali. Yeah, so that's what I'm making. You can serve it with rice, you can serve it with your preferred dish, but for me ugali is a must. Not a must, but I feel good serving it with it. Okay, so yeah. And just like that, voila! My favorite part is here, the part where we are serving. Yeah, so our meal is ready, and let me tell you, oof, this recipe is one that I can do every day without getting tired, without getting uh like like I can like I love this dish. For this, please go and try. And sure you try this one, you won't be disappointed, because you can take fish every day. There is no yeah, as you know, like most collagen come from fish. So ladies, yeah, do the maths, do the maths and go and try this. I'm very, very sure like it will not disappoint you. On the taste, it is checked. The aroma, like everything. So go and try this recipe, come back, let me know how it went, and yeah, we will be happy together, and we will increase in knowledge. And that's my happiness, seeing like all of us are loving the cooking and enjoying the recipes that I share. That's my joy, guys. So what do I say? It's a wrap on my end, because I've already delivered and I want you to go and try. Yeah, so it's a wrap on my end. I'm so much grateful to have you until this time, and yeah, let's keep on doing it major. Let's keep on sharing. Also, guys, you can share with me a recipe so that I can try and give it a try and show you how it goes. Okay, so thank you. Until we meet on another new video, it's a wrap on my end. I love you guys. Take care. Bye.